Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Linonze Beauty. Today I've got something special for you. I'm going to show you a brand new technique for doing half-tree braids and crochet that will leave your clients looking stunning. Let's get right into it. I started by blow drying the hair to make sure it's nice and smooth. This helps the style last longer and gives a polished finish. This is the fiber that we are going to use, and this is the gel I'm going to use for laying down the edges. Yeah, once the hair is dry, I part it into two sections. The front and back. I take the back section and create cornrows in a round form. This will be the base for the crochet part. For the front section, we are going to do something a little more detailed. Now that my round cornrow is done, I will start on the front part. I start by plaiting feeding cornrows. I will do this a half or a quarter of the way, meaning they are not too tight and have enough room to drop the tree braids. This helps create a smooth transition from the cornrows to the tree braids, making the style look more natural. feeding cornrows are done, I begin dropping the 3 braids. I make sure to create a nice full look while keeping the braids secure but still looking natural and seamless. This technique combines the best of both worlds: 3 braids for the natural flow and crochet for volume and fullness. Here we are. For the back section, I take the round cornrow base and start crocheting in the fiber. The texture of this fiber blends beautifully with the 3 braids because I use the same fiber for both 3 braids and the crochet part of it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Once the crochet is in place, I like to use a bit of mousse foam to define the curls and keep them from freezing up. And there you have it, a beautiful, sleek, and natural looking half 3 braids and crochet style. The best part is it's low maintenance and versatile. To keep it fresh, make sure to wrap it up at night and keep it moisturized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section for more hair tutorials.